Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add weather to your Notion dashboard. So here you can see that I have created a new page on my Notion that is named weather. Now if I want to add weather to this page, for that you need to go to this link, that is Meteo Blue website, and from here you need to scroll down and you will see the preview of the weather. You can edit the weather widget as well. For example, if you want to detect user location, or you want to choose the number of days that is displayed, here you can see 7 days. If you want temperature unit in degree Fahrenheit with background image or color. So after making changes, then you need to copy this code, hit Ctrl C on your keyboard, and then go to your Notion workspace, and here you need to click on the plus icon and then search for embed, and then here you need to paste that text that you just copied. I will hit Ctrl V on my keyboard and then click on embed link. So here you can see that my weather widget has been appeared on my Notion workspace. You can resize it as well, and there you go. This is how you can add weather to your Notion workspace. So I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you.